Hello and welcome to another quick update about Solana. I'm actually surprised how far Solana did come down eventually yesterday. It's very, very close to my target area here that is sitting between 55 and 130 US dollars. If we zoom in on the 4-hour chart, so first of all, told you in my last video that this could have already been the wave B, that the wave B has been finished, and that we're now impulsively on our way into the wave C, into the target area. And after my video then, we started to drop significantly, came down to 140 again, and then eventually to 132 US dollars. And my target level starts at 130 dollars, or exactly actually 129, I think it is. This target area is based on Fibonacci retracement levels. Everybody who doesn't know, it's based on the Elliott wave method. You get a wave, impulsive wave up here, then you get your ABC correction. That ABC correction in the current high level wave that Solana is in would typically go down all the way down to the 0.887 Fib level. But Solana is, because it came up so high, I put the target level here between the 0.5 and the 0.786 Fib level. Yeah, other cryptos did go down to the 0.887. Now I leave it up to you if you think it's realistic for Solana to go down to $30. I don't think so. I was even blamed for this scenario here to be too bearish, but you can see that we already, we came already $2 close to it. Yeah, and I gave you that target area up here, and to be fair, no, I actually gave you the target area when we were coming up here already. But what I did assume back then was that we do another pump all the way up to $300 before we then come down. But apparently that was finished already, so we are coming down earlier than expected into the target area. And the target area is quite large, but it's there is no other way, no other method in the TA world, at least that I know, that can predict or that can give you an understanding what the markets can do in a certain scenario with such an accuracy. Yeah, and the problem with because they work with Fib levels, the problem in the crypto market is because the Fib levels are so much extended because of the volatility, the price targets are quite large. That is why I think dollar cost averaging works fairly well at these levels or key levels. And by the way, this target area is ranging between $55 and $130. Now, I could adjust now this target area because I think the $130, so this target area means that we're going to turn around and start a new bull run. Now, do you think it's realistic in the current environment that at $130 we're going to start the next bull run? I don't think it is. Not how the price is coming down here, not with the head and shoulders that we're doing on the chart. Did show you in a previous video as well that I think we're doing a head and shoulders here, and I think with that latest B wave that has been confirmed, I think if that drops, then if that neckline breaks here at around $130, then you unlock prices all the way down to $55. Yeah. So looking at the target level, yes, based on the Elliott waves, this is a target level that we can expect. But now logically, also looking at some of the indicators that look quite bearish, I would actually say that we are at least going to see the $100, yeah, at least, and maybe even the 55, yeah. So I leave that to you, but I think that is certainly what we can expect, especially as we've pretty much hit the first target area already. It's still a few dollars away, but do you really think we're going to turn around here? I don't think so. There's no bullishness currently in the chart. It's continuing to drop. Yes, of course, another move up would be possible, maybe all the way here to retest that descending trend line that you can see here, which could be that we go up maybe to $160 once more. Maybe could also be to that retest that Fib level here, the 0.382 Fib level at $160 before we then drop into the target area. And with that target area here, my guess would be at least $100, maybe even 55. Okay, and bear in mind, nobody assumed this was realistic when we were up here. Yeah. And everybody's not telling me also for how many one I'm too bearish and so on. But look, it's just typically the cycle of the market. After a 5-wave move up, you get a correction, you get your ABC, and it's needed. Don't know why people always want the prices to go up all the time. The problem is you will also buy too expensive. Yeah, you will buy too expensive. The prices need to come down. Every market, people are happy if prices drop. Yeah, in every market, just not in the financial markets for some reason. Yeah. But everywhere in the shop, everywhere you go, people are happy to buy at discounts. But in the financial markets, for some reason, people always want the prices only to go up. The problem is then that the market gets that overheated that it will come down just much harder. On the flip side, if the prices go down quite a lot, and to be honest, the further down the better. First of all, it can be bought cheaper, and then like a spring, it will go up much more in the next move up. And again, also that is based on Fibonacci levels. And that is pretty much what I wanted to talk about. We can see, and I did show you that as well before, here the indicators, for example, on the weekly, the RSI, lot of scope still to fall. I mean, we are falling. You can see that by the MACD. Had a MACD bearish cross here a few weeks ago. I showed you that, indicating a sell signal. And when all these things came together, this here became my primary scenario anyway. So I don't see any change. Yeah, continuing to fall. That is my primary view. And I don't think the 130 will be the key support. It will be support, but I don't think it will be the turnaround moment at the moment. Yeah, so that's my view. Hope you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.